Guys, welcome back to 4x4 Mania, and today I'm going to be showing you where to find the new monster truck. So first, you're going to want to go into single player arena, and just follow where I go. I like how they redecorated the whole game with 4th of July banners. It's kind of cool. Yeah, here it is. It's really cool because it actually has a monster truck chassis. And they used a Ranger, so it's like a Bigfoot. Alright. Wait. I want to try something. Should I buy it or start the mission? I'll do the mission. No. Yeah. It's really fun to drive. Dang. Let's go look at it. Ooh, car way. Money. Alright, why not? Thanks for the rare parts. I'll be putting those to good use. As for our deal, finish this course and you'll have some spare parts for your project. Offer to buy mine is still on the table, by the way. Sweet. Nice going. Spare parts are yours. I'll get you some more for spare parts. Making a video. Find me on Arena again and see what course I laid out for you. Just go finish it. Tiny. There. Yeah, that'll be it for today. Hope you found this helpful.